Well, we have an excellent connection. That's always good to start a stream. Hello, everyone. My name is Amosnimos, and I've been trying to fool people on YouTube recently by posting these shorts where I pretend to be playing Minecraft, but I'm actually playing other games like Sauerbraten or Mine Test, which is better than Minecraft, obviously. These games are so flexible that I can make them look pretty close to Minecraft. And I like the comment I received. Let's read them because they're great. Honestly,
So I was playing
just we can watch the shorts. It's just a short.
Minecraft when I found this hidden feature. When you press this button, you have these weapons, and you have a chainsaw you can use to cut down tree, and this gun that you can shoot monster with, and it sure made the game more interesting.
So first of all, you can already see that there's no shadows. So that's a big giveaway. I need to add that because I can add shadow in Mine Test.
So
Not Mine Test. Inside of there's already shadow in Mine Test. Inside of Sauerbraten, there's a way to add lighting. So I'm gonna add that. See if it's more convincing.
I was playing Minecraft when I found this hidden
Also,
feature. When you press this button, you have these weapons,
just wait.
and you have a chainsaw you can use to cut down tree, and this gun that you can
Look
shoot monster
at the
with,
corner
and
here. So this cube on one side is on one side you have like rock, and on the other side it's dirt. I had not noticed that yesterday when I was playing the game, when I was making this video, but now I noticed it. So if people found that, they might have been like, that's a dead giveaway that this is not Minecraft. But not only that, but they can also watch my other videos, which maybe they did. And
this is a game I made. I know it's impressive.
yeah, this one isn't a giveaway. This one isn't a giveaway. But if you go down, you have this. But can you do this? But yeah, I wanted to read the comment with you, so I'm just gonna mute this tab, and we're gonna read the comments that we had on this video because they're funny. I like this one. Bro is playing Minecraft Walmart edition. yeah, I am. That's. I wish you could see my face right now, cause yeah, that's a funny one. So no offense taken. Actually, this looks like Minecraft Walmart edition. Actually, if you go on Walmart, if I can type correctly, Walmart, and we go shopping on Walmart, and we look for the Walmart edition of Minecraft, it's just regular old Minecraft. No, it's just short. It's clothes. It's clothing. I'm playing the clothing edition apparently. Do I need to specify video game? Okay, now we're talking. That's not what I'm looking for, but that's cool. What is that? That looks cool. I want that. Don't give me Minecraft, don't give me that. Okay, and we have it. It comes with Animal Crossing, but who cares? So yeah, by saying I'm playing the Walmart edition of Minecraft, like, it's just regular Minecraft with Animal Crossing apparently. You can, hey, that's a good price. Yeah. What is that? That's cool. I want that. That's cool. What is that? Does that, like, can you install Linux on that? Can I play Sauerbraten on this? Can I play Mine Test on this? What games can I play with this? And health game. I know every stream I make are very different. So it's not even like, other than Walmart, nobody's selling the console. G7-inch screen. Like, I want to see gameplay of that. Okay, with 666 because of course it's made by the devil, so that's why it's with 666. What is this game console, man? That was not planned. I'm not like there's not a plan for this video. I'm just okay. Let's mute that. Oh yeah, that console that everybody. Oh, it looks cheap as hell. The buttons look cheap. What is? Okay, yeah.
666 in one.
Yeah, it's one of those. It's one of those that has like all those fake retro games with some real retro games in there. Like, was that a real game on these older hardware? I don't know. It's cool though. I have to admit, these consoles are kind of cool, and you have like Ninja Turtles, and those are all games I wouldn't play for long. Let's be honest. Those are all games I would give up pretty fast. Sorry if the microphone is too close to my mouth. I need to speak in the direction of the microphone, but not have the microphone in my mouth. That's a given. Let's try to raise it. Can I turn it a bit? Yeah, I think that's the best microphone position I can get for this stream. Okay, so if the sound isn't good, just tell me below. Because we are streaming right now. We are live streaming, and yeah, the quality is excellent. That's good. And analytics, we still have nobody watching this stream, like always. But maybe later. I mean, I still get views on my like if I go view my channel. The last stream I did, which was this one, got 6 views, but afterwards. And some of my stream get likes, so even if it's not a lot, they do get likes. I already got 1 view on this new video I made, in which I showed the terrain editor feature of Minecraft. I just want to fool some people. I don't know if I'm gonna fool some people. If you share it to the right person, you know. Yeah, I think it could fool somebody. I do think it could fool somebody into thinking this is actually Minecraft with just a different skybox and flat world. This is just flat world. Minecraft, flatland, with the hills in the background. Yeah, that's it. So now I need to be even more convincing and trying to fool people. But this thing it's looking cool. Oh, he's taking it, like he's destroying it and rebuilding it to know how it's working, which is cool. I mean, yeah. That's interesting. That was a little side note before we start the actual topic of the stream, which is cd mine test. I don't have this file because I have mine test like this. And if I go into cd games, maybe, there's so many mods. I'm really sad that I broke the mine clone. Default mine clone. I don't know if I could reinstall it if I go into mine test. By the way, yesterday we were playing Sarbraten. Today I'm just trying to take the same texture pack I built for Sarbraten and export it into mine test. So let's go into content and just simply reinstall mine clone, uninstall package, but it's not actually there, is it? Like, I don't have mine clone anywhere in here, but if I do uninstall, I wonder what it's gonna uninstall basically, because I just want to reinstall it. Okay, let's try that. Mine clone 2, it's not there, so it's not gonna be able to delete it. I don't think so. Did we delete something? Count. We see word count, but line count instead. And we got like 13 lines here, and if it's okay. I don't think we lost anything. Mine clone 3. We did lose mine clone 3. No, my custom edition of mine test. Oh, that's sad. Mine test game, browse online content. Oh, that's sad. Mine test. Reinstall it. Not mine test, mine clone. Mine clone, more food. Ooh, mine clonia, mine clone. Mine clone, furniture and decoration. Add more decoration and furniture blocks to mine clone 2. Extra structure, mine clone 2, more ore. Like, I just want the original mine clone. The original one. Why is it not there? It should be. Mine clone 2. Oh yeah, it's mine clone 2 first of all, so search for that. But I need the original mod. Where is it? Did they remove it? Think about that. If they removed it, I'm so fudged. I just deleted it. So add build limit to mine clone. Who wants a build limit? Mine clone dark mode inventory. That's cool actually. But I don't want extension to mine clone 2. I just want the actual back to main menu. Oh, browse online content. Are they sorted like alphabetically? No, they're not. So should be close from here. I have the take H mod back, which is very cool, but I'm not seeing the mine clone anywhere. It's almost as if it was removed Maybe for copyright strike or I don't know, something like that. Oh, that would be bad. It was a nice. Okay, I can just download it from the web, I guess. If it's not there, that's what's cool with these things, these games. Mine clone. Mine clone. How many versions do we have? Do we have Mine Clone 5? Like, it's apparently there's Mine Clone 5 game. Mine Test Farm. Is there a Mine Clone 5 for real? I was playing Mine Clone 2 and I was happy with that. So if there is a Mine Clone, you might want to use Mine Clone. No, Mine Clone 5 is currently unmaintained and contains fewer feature than Mine Clone 2. Okay. What about Mine Clone 3? Do we have like play on crazy game, play online game? No, I just want like, let's go Mine Clone 2 for Mine Test. Yeah. Mine Clone 2 content DB, Mine Test. That's what we want. Download for Mine Test. Yeah, it's just Minecraft basically. And I want it into my Mine Test folder, which should be around here. There you go. Then we go into games. And these are games that I started from Worlds Games. That's where I want it. Yeah. Mine Clone. And it's a zip file, so I'm gonna have to unzip it. And I don't remember how to unzip zip file, so unzip Mine Clone. Damn, I like Linux. Linux is good when it does what you want it to do. And it should be Mine Clone 2. It's right here. So now if we go in the game, which is not open at the moment, it's okay. It's okay. I can open it back. Mine Test. I quit the game. That's not what I wanted to do. Mine Test. And if I go start game, this should be the original Mine Clone 2. Oh, they changed the logo. That's cool. Let's start a new world. Live streams and 00 brackets 00 unique world that no one ever seen. And yeah, create this world, play game. It's not working because empty creative is enabled. Okay, enable damage creative. Why I need to what? It's not enabled. The empty creative has not been enabled for this. Play game. Empty. Okay, Lua game mode. Empty in it. Up value. Empty creative at nil value. Start deck enable. Is creative enable and main chunk. Debug text for detail. Play game. Empty creative is enabled. Can I play like my other games? What's broken? I don't know what is broken. Is creative enabled? I should just go into Mineclone mod player MC like init.lua. That's where the bug is. So maybe if I just go fix it, maybe cd. Okay, I don't need games since I'm already into the games directory. So something like that could work. Is creative enable Mine Test is creative enable. So at nil, empty is creative enable. Let's show the line number, and it's on line 51. So that's not here, it's close to here. If is creative enable equal to, then return true. Name Minetef is creative enable, blah blah blah. Game mode equal creative. Then return false. Okay, so we're getting an issue here with this if statement. If empty creative is enabled. So let's try this instead. Mine test dot is creative enabled. Then return blah blah. If not blah blah, mine test get da, 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 da. This should work. I'm not an expert programmer. Okay, we're getting more issue, which is progress, I guess. It's different. It's a different error message. I mean, I'm not the Minecraft. I'm not the mine clone programmer, so I don't know how it was coded, but Stack Overflow. Yes, I should go on Stack Overflow. We could do it like simply mine test is creative enable. Like we don't need that actually. If not name, then return false. If local mine test, then okay, that should fix the issue. Play game. And offset value attempt at 106. Like we did fix the previous issue. Now we have another issue at line 106. So I don't remember how to go to a specific line. I think it's something like Alt O, convert tab space, disabled, enable. Yeah. P. No, I don't know. I don't know how to move to a specific line, so I'm just gonna scroll. This line doesn't exist, so it's on another file. That means probably and spawned. So mine clone mods. So yeah, we want to go there. I'm just gonna fix this. That isn't that interesting. Like you're learning programmation. That wasn't planned. I did not plan to do all that. Yeah, it's a direct. It's not a directory. It's a file, but it's not there. So we're gonna get there. So cd mods first of all. Cd mapgen doesn't exist. So end spawn doesn't exist for some reason. Okay, let's take a look into the games. And do we have it here? The is it here? No, it's not. So what script is referencing this? It's in mapgen micro mods. Like this script just doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. So this is for the end spawn, but I don't have it. So yep, let's just look for it online. View content for game. MLC pack, dark mode, inventory. Yeah, that's all the content that has been made for the Mineclone 2, but Mineclone itself is here. We downloaded. Getting gameplay summary, how to play quickly, getting started, punch 3. Yeah, I know, but how to install it and have it work. Because I installed the zip file and now I'm having some missing directories. So how to fix that? Because if I go into Mineclone 2, games, cd Mineclone 2, ls, do I have it here, the file that we're looking for? We have mods. Okay, so cp mods all into back outside of Mineclone, outside of game, mods. Yeah, that should work. That should pretty much fix this issue. What do we have now? Mapgen is not there. I don't believe you. If I go into mods, ls, I'm looking for Mapgen. It should be there. I'm sure it is. We have Mapgen, so it should be into the mods directory. Mods, yeah, it should. Oh, it doesn't exist. Oh, yeah. Now it's gonna exist. Okay. And we have mapgen. So cd mapgen. And what are we missing? Structure, init, okay. MCL structure. We have that. Yeah. Should work. Do I need just to restart the game maybe? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Mine test. And want to play mine clone, play game. Same issue, and to init that Lua spawn. Like now we should be able to edit the end spawn file. If I can just copy it correctly. No. That's an interesting stream. I'm fixing stuff from a game I haven't even made. Like, that's advanced. I understand code that isn't mine. That's like understanding your own code, that's something. Understanding somebody else's code and being able to fix it, that's something else. Is a nil value. So F, we're looking for offset. And it's at line, let's just make sure. Line 106. So yeah, around here we have another offset. Yeah, and we have another one. That's the one. Vector offset. Static pause, get structure register, get point on circle, vector offset. Vector offset. And something in there, MCL var and support all tap. Like we have an issue here, but I could not tell you what it is. So static pause is gonna be equal to, I don't know, some other vector that I can find. Just think about it. If it worked there, get point circle, maybe it would work here. Even if it breaks the game a little bit, as long as I can play it, I don't mind. So delete that, paste that. And now just take a look at how many brackets we have to make sure the count is good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should have 5 in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's too many to count. It's hard to count. Okay, so let's just try the game. Does it work? Have I fixed it? No. Okay, so let's just remove all that we did. Why does this return nil, a nil value? Like, that's not okay. Offset, nil value. Tentacle, field, offset, a nil value. Vector offset with a nil value. MC vars and exit portal. This does not exist, so let's just give it 0 instead. Like, yeah? Does that work? With the nil value stack back. Okay, that did not work. So let's try pause. And now try playing the game. Okay, I'm still getting the same issue. Does other people, am I the only one on hurt with this bug? That's probable. So I'm just not gonna fix it. That's my solution. Static pause is just gonna be equal to get points on circle. I don't care. Get point on circle is, that's the one. That's the I don't know. Is that the end of the code? Okay, so what I could do is probably just cat and spawn. I just want the end, so actually I want the tail and spawn. I want a bit more of it, so n plus 20 and yeah, that should be good. We have all that we need. We just want the actually 20 might be a bit too much. Plus 10 and plus 10. Here you go. It's way too much though. I just want the function for get point on circle, and after that, and let's just ask ChatGPT if it can fix that mess. and we copy this. Error. No, can I just copy this? Yeah, it should work. Okay, so I'm giving the error in the code. The error message indicates that the vector module doesn't have offset, blah blah blah. In MindClone, you should use the vector add function instead of vector offset to add vector together. Here's the modified version. That should work. Okay, let's see if it works. Because I don't know what I'm doing. So let's ask ChatGPT. Hi, this look cool. Thanks. I am just trying to fix a game in my test. It's like Minecraft, but you have more control and more mods. Yep, that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna try to fix this damn issue in the in the code of this mod because I want to be able to play it, and I already played it in the past and I really like it because it's basically free Minecraft. Who doesn't like free Minecraft with more feature? Last time I like edited actually this thing, like, does that fix it for me? I want to play it. No. Okay, so I'm gonna give up, but I'm just gonna show what it looks like for, yeah, just to show it. Super play game. So yeah, I made a video yesterday where I was playing another game called Sauerbraten, and I was modifying it so that it would look close enough to Minecraft. I don't know if you saw the beginning of the video. So this is a mod I made for MindClone 2, which was the game I was trying to fix. And in it, you're like a superhero. You can jump super high, go super fast, walk on water because why not? And you can also go underwater. But right now we spawned in a place with like weird islands and stuff. So we can run on water, but we can also go like, we're supposed to be able to go in water. That's it. Which is kind of cool, I think. I used a really unique seed for this world generation because I wanted very unique results, and I am not disappointed. This result is very unique. Like, it's almost only water, but these islands are weird, and like even under the water they're like floating. So this is what happened when you use a very long, very unique seed. You get very long, very unique result, I guess. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give up on trying to recover the other game mods for mine test. But I can still do what I wanted to do, which is add my texture to this but to mine test, which is the texture pack from the original Minecraft. So I want the Minecraft texture inside of mine test, which would make mine test pretty damn close to Minecraft. That's why I wanted the original MindClone pack. But apparently you can't install it anymore from the content page, browse content of the like MindClone 2. I don't see it. It should be there, but I don't see the mod from there. So, and it should even say that it's already installed. It should not remove it. So I just think the creator removed it from the store. MindClone 2 Get Comfortable. That's a mod for it. But like, if I click on Get Comfortable, can I get more information on it? Sit and lay using chat command in MindClone 2. Okay. Cactus damage, MTL, MindClone. What is this? All of this content for a mod I can no longer install. That's sad. But I can still play it. Like, if I join a game online, if I go for MindClone, there's probably server based on it. Like this one is based on it. I can just log in and play the game. But I want to install my own texture pack. That's why I'm not gonna do that. So you have all the information of your games here. So any game you installed in Mindtest, you can edit the file and make whatever you want from it. Mindtest is not a game actually. Mindtest is a game engine if you prefer. So yes, it looks like Minecraft. Yes, most of the game, like this is the default Mindtest world. This is the default Mindtest game. I'm gonna make that full screen. I already had, oh yeah, I'm gonna close that window. So this is what Mindtest looks like by default. So I could just use that and change the texture, but as you can see, the HUD for it is not the same as in Minecraft. But that's why Mineclone is great. Mineclone takes all the feature from Minecraft and makes sure it's in Mindtest. You have the creepers, you have like the mobs, you have all this cool stuff. Can I eat? Oh yeah, I am eating them. It's just that the animation really is very bad. And that's why you need all these mods, because the original Mindtest game is bad. It's just bad Minecraft. It's as one of the comments said on one of my previous video, it's Walmart Minecraft, even though we taken a look at that in the start of this video, and Walmart Minecraft is just regular Minecraft. Oh, let's take a look at what's there, but I'm just gonna change the texture for it. Do we still have somebody watching? I think we do, and we had 1 like, which thank you. It's always good to receive likes on my videos. It doesn't happen often. Do you want me to show you like Sauerbraten, which is the other game I talked about? Yeah, it's you. Or do you want me to try to implement the Minecraft texture into this Mindtest game? Yeah, sure, okay. So Sauerbraten is this small underground niche game that nobody knows about. And it's cool because just like Mindtest, you have access to the files for the game, which are in this directory right here. So if I open it, you have like the skybox, you have the HUD, you have the icon, you have the font. You can change everything from this in this small little game. And what I did, of course, is I'm just not gonna join the local server. I'm just gonna type SP to get a single player area that I can do whatever I want with. So I'm just gonna try to close all of these files that I no longer need and go back into the game. So this is Sauerbraten, just the single player empty world. And from there I can load a map, for example Minecraft 003, which is the last one I made, and we're back in Minecraft. So I had to fix this, so I'm just gonna do it right now because the texture ain't right. In Minecraft, if there's a texture on one side of the block, it should be the same on the other side, and otherwise it looks off. Oh, and these texture weren't even so I'm just gonna add the texture here, and these can be dirt. I think, yeah, they should be dirt because it's dirt on top, so it should be dirt below. You have like this creative mode that allows you to edit the map, and you don't have to make big block. That should be actually another shorts I'm gonna make on my channel. You can make like smaller block, just like that. You can change the size of the block. So like this is a mini block, and inside of this mini block I can create an even smaller block, which is not a feature you can do in Minecraft. How cool is that? Now I just need to add the texture back, but other than that, it's looking cool. I could bring the chat like with me on this screen so that I have the chat at the same time. And if I change the texture for like, that's cool if I put dirt, but let's try to make it as realistic as possible. Yeah, that looks kind of good. It's hard to place texture for small blocks like this. It just takes a lot of times. But if I'm patient, I can make it look good, I'm sure. Just like that. And the controls, I mean, they're good, but it's not for precision work. And I forgot one side. So let's go into editing by pressing E. That's the E button. I suggest you try this game. It's very fun. No, still want this one. Okay, so we have like mini blocks inside of what looks like Minecraft. So that could mess with people perception. Like if I created like a whole, that would mess with people's brain. Like if I make a video where there's like bars and stuff missing and the blocks, I'm gonna do that just to mess with people's brain. And I'm gonna try to make it look like realistic, as if it was normal for Minecraft to have these slots in the wall. Do I keep the top texture, bottom texture, like just dirt, or dirt with maybe the grass on top? Just dirt, I think it looks better. And I'm gonna do the other side. The music playing is not the original music from Sauerbraten, by the way. The original music from Sauerbraten is heavy metal. It's big, loud, heavy metal. But since I'm playing more creatively and I'm taking more of my time, and for me it should be a relaxing game, I changed the soundtrack for this music that you're hearing. And guess where this music is coming from? Oh, you don't hear the music. I'm gonna try to capture audio from device. Should hear it now. It's a very soothing, calm music. I'm just gonna go back there. Do you hear it now? It should be audible now. So this music is very unique because I went on the site where there's Creative Commons music that everybody can use and do whatever they want with, and I modified one of the tracks so that it's even more like I can do whatever I want with. So yeah, no, but your voice got louder. My voice got louder. Okay, I'm just gonna fix that because yeah, that's weird. Audio capture device audio. So default HP HyperX Cast Custom default. I don't know which one it is. Default first. I forgot to create it. Yeah, default. And that new one should. Okay, we have too many of them. The microphone. Oh, my voice was missing. I forgot to add the voice. Okay, so that's my microphone. I'm gonna make it maybe a little bit less loud, just like that. And I don't know. Have you heard the music at some point playing? I can hear now. Okay, so one of them is the music. So I guess it's the second one right here. And I'm gonna make it. No. That's the microphone. Hello. Because it's also recording the microphone at the same time. So desktop audio. Hello, hello, hello. So that should be just the music playing. I don't know why it wasn't working, but anyway, who cares? So it's a very calm, soothing music that I like actually, and it's made from in another video I linked to the creator of the song. But I slowed it down and I modified it a little bit because there was too much bass in it. It was almost good for a rap beat. And we have pistons, yeah. And this map is fully playable as an FPS game. This gun, I like this gun. See, that's why I like this gun. And we have this chainsaw to cut down tree, I guess, but it doesn't cut anything actually. So we can jump here. We have like some parkour that we can do and get on top of this. Like, there's a story with this house, why it looks ugly like it does. It's that a guy wanted to flex that he had a bunch of gold, so he built this thing with entire full gold block, and another player arrived with the dirt block and stole some of the gold, and the guy building this did not have enough gold block to create the top, so he used like this what is it called, this other cheaper material instead. So that's the story I had in mind when building this thing, because yes, there was a story I had in mind. And here you have like the trenches, which is you can go around, and you have like, I made a short like here on YouTube, and it fooled a lot of people into thinking it was Minecraft, I think, even though a lot of people were like, it's fake. But the fact that they take the time to tell me it's fake is that it looks good enough. And one of the projects I had for today is had lighting to this. Like, if you go into escape editing, you can change the skybox. First of all, I would like to have a more Minecraft-esque skybox maybe at some point, or make my own. I can. I think what would be convincing is just a single color skybox. I could do this right now. That should be the project instead of playing Minetest. I'm just gonna open this, go into Sarbraten file, and this is the skybox that we have. This, I think, is the default skybox. So I'm just gonna open it with another application. By the way, I'm using Linux. I'm not on Windows. Did you know that? Did you, like, you, the person watching this? I'm just gonna look for your username if I can find it. Kester. Did you know, Kester, that I'm using Linux? Have you heard of Linux before? It's a very cool operating system. With every program I'm using is free. I don't have to pay for them. That's, first of all, that's a very nice thing. Linux itself is free. You don't have to buy it, which is also nice. Let's keep the color at the bottom because I like it's a bit darker, and have it on top with half opacity, and then I can use this to be the color for the entire sky. Yep, I like this color. So overwrite the original. Yep, export. It's easy. It's not like changing the skybox in Minetest compared to Minecraft. It's day and night. One is super easy, the other is a pain in the putting them down. Yeah, it's all gonna be the same color. I don't want any ocean below it. It's just gonna be sky all around. I think it's gonna be more convincing. Also, I don't know why, but the resolution for the block representing the bottom of the skybox is always way smaller than the other side of the skybox. I don't know if you can make it larger. You know, that's what I like to play around with. I like to test these things. So override sky. Maybe I could go online and steal some actual Minecraft sky images and paste them in there to make it more convincing. Like, that's convincing, I think. If I took that and pasted it in here, scale it just a bit, I don't know, filter, Gaussian blur. Yeah, no, I don't think it's gonna work. But it was looking nice in my mind. I'm sure there's a way to make that work, like to have this as the skybox. But I'm too lazy to have this work. Okay, I'm just not today. So we fixed this skybox called clear sky. So if I go back into the game and I go into editing and I go for skybox and I look for clear sky, now we should have like, oh, it was there. It was right here. Clear sky. There it is. Oh, it looks hot. It looks off. It doesn't look like the Minecraft sky at all. Yes, I know Linux. So yeah, that's what I'm using. I'm using a version of Linux called Ubuntu, and I modified it with a new desktop environment called WB. I forgot the name of my desktop environment. So it's time to do a neo fetch and realize that my font is too large. BSPWM. I'm using BSPWM, heavily customized. And what is nice about using these customized desktop environments is that once you have customized them, you can save the file with all your customization, and you can bring it to other computers. And if your computer break, you can like, yeah, do cool stuff like that. Which is why I have like all these workspaces, like easy to access. And but yeah, this guy doesn't look good, but I'm just gonna give up on that for now because we have other cool stuff to do, like adding lights. Let's bring light to this world of it can be confusing when I have too many desktop environment, or not desktop environment but desktop open. Like this one, what is it? It's the skybox. We no longer need it, and I can just see which application I have open on which desktop and then move them back together. It looks so bad. This skybox is so much worse than the one I had before. Like nobody would use this skybox in Minecraft ever. So that's bad. I need to fix this, but later. Let's fix this later. First, this is the moment of truth. We're adding light to this. Calculating light, blah blah, but we need to add first lights. And now we can change like the intensity, the color of them. Sunlight it's gonna be. Operation only allowed in editing mode. Oh, that was dumb. I wasn't in editing mode first. So we want the sunlight, and we have it there. I think it's where you aim, or at least if you have like a block selected, I think that's where it's gonna go. And then you can move it around. So this is our sunlight, and I'm gonna move it closer maybe to what we have. Also in Sarbraton you can make these hills and stuff. You can edit the terrain, which is very Minecraft-esque. Like you cannot do this in Minecraft. Like there's mod in Minecraft that looks like this, but this is live editing. You can edit the terrain however you want and make maybe holes in it, and that's cool. Like, can you do this in Minecraft? But can you do this? No, you can't. And that's why I love Sarbraton editing tool. It's very flexible and it lets you do pretty much whatever you want. Can I go into that hole? That's the new question of the day. Can I get into that hole? Let's make the selection bit larger because I reduced its size earlier to make these small cubes. Okay, that hole is way too small for me to fit in, so let's just try to select it and dig in. And I'm still not able to fit into that hole. That's what she said. Oh. Yeah, I have a small chest in here with a furnace. I like it. It's small detail like this, and you can use this to hide behind if you're shooting at other players. You can play in LAN multiplayer at this game. I have a barrel here. You can jump here. Now it's time to activate the light. So editing, light map, and there's a button somewhere to calculate the light map, but I forgot what it was. No matter shadow count -1. Here we have it. Oh, now it's looking more like Minecraft. Like now that looks like Minecraft. Oh, that looks so neat. That looks so neat. That's what it was missing. It looks like almost Minecraft with RTX. And people were telling me that I was playing the Walmart edition of Minecraft. No. This is Minecraft RTX on, baby. I hope that was worth the wait because it looks nice. But the light should be in the sky. Yeah, even in the sky it doesn't look that good. And we need a bunch of this. And they need to be way more powerful and be like... Oh, I need to recalculate the light each time. I forgot about this. And to recalculate the light, there's a shortcut for it. Editing light. I think I can just click here. Oh, okay. Now we have lights from the sky. Okay, that already looks way more realistic for Minecraft, whatever this is. I forgot that texture here. Why? When? And when you change the texture also, it's gonna break everything. So you gotta finish the map first and then add the lighting. But now that we have lighting, and I don't have torches and I don't want to add torches, but we can just hide the lighting somewhere, or have lava actually. We have lava in this, so I forgot how to add it, but let's say we want a bit of lava here. I completely forgot how to lava. Oh, it's simple. Oh, I don't have the texture for it. I lost the texture for the lava. It looks so bad. No, lava texture, where did you go? No, do I still have the texture for the water though? I'm the one who deleted the lava texture, by the way. It's somewhere in my computer. I can just add it back. I just changed its position in the directory. It's not the end of the world, but now it is, because I want water then. No, yes, it's working. Oh, and I got that looks so weird to have these small holes, and I can like maybe make a smaller one. Oh, that would look weird. Oh, that looks so weird. And still just dirt texture, I think. It's good to keep it somewhat realistic, because that's when people have expectation of how the game should look like, and then you play with these expectation. I'm gonna add probably a light source in here somewhere, but I don't want it to be weird, so it could be here. If I go into editing, lighting, and no, event, light, and new light, or just sunlight. Sunlight is good, and don't want it there. I don't know. Let's see if I calculate the lighting, what it looks like. Oh no, it's way too bright to be there. Way too bright. So maybe here, I don't know. Because now it's just lighting in a single direction, which isn't what we wanted. Maybe if I bring it like here and recalculate its thing, light. I need the shortcut for that. I forgot what it was. I just look way too bright. Can I edit this light? Can I delete it? Yeah, I can delete it. So at least that's that. And I can go into event light and just add a regular light and change the intensity and radius from here. Bright white. Yeah, new light. So if I go back into the editing, lighting, calculate light, that looks good. I don't hate that. But of course we can see that there's no torch here, so maybe if I place it closer to a hole so that we think the light comes from a torch inside of the hole or something like that, that there's lava on the other side. Some that people would believe as actually being Minecraft instead of there's something off. Oh yeah, that kind of works. But lava is more orange, so I would need to be able to change the color of that light, and I just don't want to add a new one just for that feature. Yeah, the water is still working at least, so that's very cool. So if I go back into the editor, change the size of this back, and I go under the water, change these texture for cobblestone. Why not? Yeah, cobblestone, that makes sense. No, this one has to be this one has to be this, but this one can also be cobblestone because we don't see the other sides of them. So yeah, that works. That makes logical Minecraft sense. Okay, so do we still have somebody watching? What happens if you make the light brightness full? Oh, it's gonna look like hell. I mean, yeah, of course I can, but it's gonna look bad. Are you ready for that? Are you still watching? Yeah, okay. So I have to do it. Okay. I'm gonna place the light here because no, better. I'm gonna place it here. And events, light, brightness to the max, and maybe another color than white, just yellow. And no, yellow near white, you know, like this, maybe a little bit less of this, some like this should be good. New light, only allowed in I'm not in editing mode. I need to start this all over again. So like this, yellow but not really, more like this. Oh, to the roof, new light, and recalculate the light. You see, you think like me, you want to try stuff that like to see what it's gonna happen. You just want to change stuff and see what is gonna happen with that change. So that's full brightness, that's as bright as it gets, and it's quite bright. Like I could use this probably as a I think when you set it to sunlight, it's what it's look like. That's just sunlight. By the way, where is the other sunlight that we had? Should be somewhere around here. Anyway, it's thing, lighting, recalculate lighting. Okay, so you see that's way too bright. But if I place it just high enough, maybe it's gonna be better, but I doubt it. Editing, lighting, recalculate. Yeah, it's just way too bright. So what I'm gonna do is select it and remove it with X, by the way, if you wondered. And like it's better when the light is coming from the side, I think, from one direction. So let's move it a little bit from this direction, and editing, lighting, calculate lighting. Yeah, I think it does look better, but it could look even better if I could just find where I placed it. And I lost it. We lost the light source. It should be near here. Oh, here it is. Like if I move it just a bit in that direction, lowered, something like this, it should look even better. Lighting, recalculate lighting. Yeah, I don't think this looked bad. This looks like Minecraft at least. We need a bit more light in here. That's the H. That should mess with people's brain. And we can make it even worse. If I go into editing and we have like this small little piece of it missing, and I can have it missing here too. What's happening here, you know? If people think about it, it's gonna confuse the heck out of them. So Y, I think, is the button to change the texture. Yes, it is. So if I recalculate the map, and from there, like I'm gonna try to make a shorts when I pretend to be in Minecraft. I need to be in editing mode so that people don't see the gun and stuff, and the sky isn't convincing, so I need to be inside. So I'm playing Minecraft and I found this weird little place where like there's half a block and a small block missing here, and I really don't know. I did not know that you can edit smaller blocks in Minecraft. Yeah, you see, that could be a short, but I don't think it's gonna be. Like, I need to work on my acting. I could make some of the books stick out and like play with this a little bit, like these books. Oh, that would be cool. Oh, that would look cool if I could play around with that. Yep, I'm doing that. That looks cool. like that's as good as I can make it look, and I need to color each side, and I don't know how to color them properly because I don't have these colors. Like I need to look for texture that looks close enough to the color that I'm looking for, and I don't have that. Yeah, I don't have the blue. It's not the right blue, but it could work. And I mean, it's books, so it's supposed to look white inside anyway. I think though, yellow, white, like white wool looks too bright, and sand doesn't make sense. But why not? And blue on the other side. Yeah, let's be creative. Now we're almost modeling something in this video. It's not a video about modeling stuff, but about being creative and trying these underground games on Linux and making stuff with them. Having fun. Having fun is important. Wood would work here, I feel. Like if I took a wood texture, does it make sense? Not really, but who's gonna be picky about this stuff? Some of the thing is made out of wood, so with the lighting it's gonna look just fine, and it's just gonna add depth to this world. So speaking about the lighting, editing, lighting, calculate lighting. See, it looks just fine. It looks fine. There's like some depth to it, and there's a book sticking out, and it looks cool. I like it. Now you can go down here, and it's too dark, and I wanted to add lava to bring some light, but lava isn't working, so I need to find another solution, which is probably just gonna go into editing, light, new player start. I mean, that's a good spot for a player start, so I'm gonna keep that there. But that wasn't the plan, okay? That wasn't the plan. The plan was to add some lights and have it be like just a soft little light. White light, why not? A little bit yellowish, why not? And new light. And now if I forgot, there's a button here to recalculate the light, and is it L? I think is it L? No, it's not. L is to turn off the light. Turn off the light is K to recalculate. K! So now we have a button that does what I needed to do. Wait, that looks cool, but again, it looks off because there's no torches there. And I could kind of build a torch by doing this and bring it out and pretend like this is a torch by giving it the right texture. And I did this in another video, but the thing is, people know what Minecraft torch look like, and they know that ain't it. Okay, you can't fool people with that, and I want to be able to fool people. And I know that if I, that could look right. Yeah, I'm just gonna use orange wool for the top of the torch. Normally I would use lava. Lava is very convincing, but I lost my lava texture for now, so we'll have to do with that. And let's place this light here, and the size of the light is not convincing at all. Something like this should work, and K to recalculate. Yeah, I just don't like how this looks. Maybe if I just remove this side too. Yeah, I still don't like how this looks. It looks off because, and my brain just doesn't like it. It's there could be hole in this. Just random hole. Yeah. Like bullet hole that people made playing the game, and I don't even care to texture them. It's just gonna look like that anyway. So if I go down here, it still need more lights. It's hard to light this thing. Maybe if I put the light on top, like nobody's gonna care if the light is on top. E, escape, editing, light, and event light. You can add monster and fight them, by the way. That's another feature I can show you. It's quite cool that you can fight monster in here. So let's reduce the intensity. It's a bit intense, and add the light here, recalculate, and it's already looking way better. So we could add a monster here and fight it. Our little torch that doesn't look realistic at all. I think I need the light to be more here. And our light here is looking nice, I like it. And we need another one around here to pretend like it's the light from outside, maybe shining inside. So to have this light here, I'm gonna go into escape editing event light, reduce the brightness to about this, new light event, and place it here. And if I recalculate, that looks fine. That looks very good. Where's the hole? It's in there. I mean, it's good enough. From the inside, it looks good enough. Nobody's gonna care, I think, that it's not perfect lighting. It still looks good. It still looks like Minecraft. But we're missing some lights in here. I'm gonna add another sky light, I think, from this direction. Editing, light, and a skylight. New sunlight around. Whoa, did I lose it? It's way too far. I need it here, but higher. But in that direction. Okay, and now if I recalculate the light, oh, that's way too bright. Further, higher, still way too bright. 2 sunlight is a lot of sunlight. No, that doesn't look right. You need to be careful with this, otherwise it gets way too bright, way too fast. I just want less brightness. Okay, let's try the other. There's another light mode, which take more time to calculate, but apparently looks better. No, I don't think it looks better. Okay, I tried something, did not work. That looks better. Minecraft. And what monster do we have that we can fight? Entity, editing, event key. Entity. I forgot how to start the game though. So even if I add monster, drop entities, monsters, fireball monster. I'm not in editing mode, so I cannot add them if I'm not in editing mode. Monster, fireball monster. So it's there, and it should spawn as soon as I start the game. But the game is not starting because I forgot the game start, FFA, free for all. I just don't know how to animate the creature, but there's plenty of tutorial on Sarbraten online that you can find and mess around with. This looks good enough. I think that's gonna be it for Sarbraten for today. I think I can already fool people with this, thinking that this is Minecraft, because let's be honest, right now this looks close enough to Minecraft to fool people. Maybe the resolution of the texture isn't as good. By the way, the process I used to create those textures is more interesting than the result itself. And if I have somebody watching, I lost my only viewer. Bye. Okay, that was so cool. Thank you. Oh well, thank you. At least thanks for watching. We had a viewer today. That's one more viewer than none. And he said that was cool. So that's always good to hear. I have to play with my friend now. This was so cool. Yeah, you know, it's cool. It's nice that we have a viewer today. And if I go back into Minetest and I go into the Mineclone 2, this one isn't working. Hero Quest, this one was working, but we didn't select the world. Let's go into the file. .Minetest. And like, maybe I convince somebody to use Linux. That's always a win in my book. If you can convince one person to switch to Linux, but I don't want everyone to use Linux, because if too many people start to use it, it's gonna become mainstream and it's gonna become bad, just like the other operating system. So Linux has a lot of power by being niche. CD games, and we have all these games that I have. Let's go into Mario Invasion. Let's go into the mods, maybe environment. Where are the textures? That's what we're looking for today. Lighting, MC Void, MC Weather. No, that's not where the texture packs are. Misc maybe. Tools, menu. No, it's not in menu, that's for sure. Tools, maybe. No. CD mods, CD core, maybe. World util. Let's just Google that. Where are mine test textures stored? And the folder under the main mine test folder called textures. Main. CD world client games mods world. I don't see it. Where is it? Client. Repixture maybe? CD mods. CD TNT Vignette Village Weather Achievement Armor Bed Books built-in item CD. Let's go into built-in item. What do we have? Jewel, I have a built-in item. Okay. We have sounds and default. What do we have into default? Local canvas on textures. Oh yeah. Those are more for the UIs and stuff, but we do have some of the textures here. Enough to have fun and play around with. So the sand texture, sandstone, default sand. Open with GIMP. And we can replace it with we have another folder somewhere. If I can just open a new tab, go into this, go, and no, I want in my Minecraft textures. I don't have it here. It's in texture, and Nieb is actually the folder I had to name it for it to work. And here I have a lot of texture that I converted from WebPeg to JPEG, and some of them are blurry. Some of them aren't. Some of them have double. So the more you know. And yeah, there's a bunch of them. There's a bunch of texture here. Missing texture, light gray. Like I should probably put all the WebP images into a WebP folder, just because that's a better idea. Let's go into the Nieb CD textures Nieb and MV all that WebP into the WebP folder, and now all the WebP textures are inside of this one, so they're not in the way. We can clearly see what we have. So I was talking about the process in which I converted all these texture to the right size and included them into the package.cfg. I have two scripts in here that I used. The first script is add texture, and what it does, it takes all the JPEGs texture and add it to the in the right formatting into the package CFG that allows the game to know that these textures exist. And I have this script which will convert the WebPeg images to JPEG of the right size. But in the conversion, sometimes they can get a bit blurry, but it's good enough. It's not perfect, it's good enough. Yeah, light with lighting, new and yep. That's the texture that we have. But I'm looking for sand. We need the sand texture. There you go. And I'm just gonna take it and put it on top of here. So the resolution of our sand texture seems to be a bit bigger than this sand texture. Oh, but the format of it is just bad. Okay, it's more optimized because it limits the color palette, but that's not what we want. We don't want a limited color palette. We want full color. And I really don't want to increase the color profile of this image. So what we can do is create a new image, 16 by 16, paste our texture here, not this texture, paste our texture here, make it the right size, 16 by 16, yep, scale, and now we have a crisp sand texture that can go right here, layer to image size, and we can export this as default sand. Which is gonna be harder than I think. So let's just copy this, paste it here. Delete. Actually, we need to delete default send. I don't think we have a chance. Oh, those are all PNG now. Because Mindtest uses PNG instead of JPEG. That can be an issue, yeah. So what I'm gonna do, because I need to go back to Mindtest to save this in. So export as, get ready. That Mindtest and the home directory dot Mindtest somewhere in there, and all these folders I need to find. I hate using the normal file manager that people are using all the time. It's so slow, it's so bad, but sometimes you have to use it. You cannot always use the terminal when you use GUI application. Where is that Mindtest? It should be somewhere in here. It's not there. Where is it? Ah, it was there. Mindtest. There you go. And now I can go into the games, repixture, default, mud. Oh, sorry, I'm yawning. That's annoying, but yeah. Textures, and I can save this into sand. Not sand. It's named something else, and it's a PNG. It has to be a PNG, otherwise it's not gonna work. Imagine if I made every single texture sand and dirt. That could be cool. I could make a script that would do that. That would replace every single texture in this mud with sand. But that's kind of breaking the mud, I feel. But right now we're not breaking anything. We want our cool sand. If I can just find it back, it was somewhere in here. Default sand. So default sand.png. Like this. Let's rename this one to default sand something else, so that it doesn't overwrite it, because I don't want to delete the original. Export. So now we have our custom sand into this mud and Mindtest that we can just Mindtest, go back in Mindtest and see if it's there. So repixture is the name of what we're looking for. It's a mud called repixture somewhere. Repixture, this one, and we already have a game started there, and maybe we can find our sand. So hey, I did not need to go far to find the texture we just added. It's right there. That's our sand. That's the original Minecraft sand added to repixture. So we could change every single picture in this mud for our original Minecraft texture, which would be pointless, and I already think this mud look very cool. The texture in this mud, I like them. They're minimal, they're nice looking. Let's face it, they're looking nice. Is that Minecraft? No, that's not Minecraft, that's Mindtest. Mindtest is better than Minecraft, and that's the proof. Just look at the water, it looks so cute, it looks so kawaii. Who doesn't want to play this game? Like, look at this. It's cool, I like it. But in this mud, the water is quite heavy. Like you sink to the bottom quite fast. And we need air, otherwise we're gonna drown. But I'm going under something, and maybe there's air in here somewhere. Oh, there is. There is. Oh, where am I? I need air. There it is. There's air right here, but we don't see anything, and we need torches to see here. But we're underwater right now, and I'm breathing, so that's cool. There's like a bucket of hair on top right here, which is nice. That's a cool place to discover. I like the world generation that we got, and I like the this texture pack. It looks fun. I mean, and the crafting system in this game inside of Mindtest is very unique, and I haven't played around that much with it, but I already can tell you that it's out there. You cannot build stuff as you expect. And you have more objects that you can build than in the original Mindtest game. And I don't have a torch, and building one is pretty much the same process, I think, but you have like this single layer crafting system, and that's unique. If you want to try something different, not always play the same game all over and over again, you can try Mindtest. Mindtest is free, and it works also on Windows. Even if you're a Windows user, you can play these games. Yep. And it's just nice. This stream is getting boring, I feel. I'm just like walking around showing you Mindtest Arbeit and Mindtest Arbeit. And there's other game on Linux. Guess what? Guess what? There is other game on Linux. And I can show them to you. Instead of always playing the same ones. But I like that these ones are very easy to edit. You have access to their file. And most game on Linux, I think, are like that. We had one viewer in this stream, which is an event on its own, but it's already a 1 hour 21 minutes stream, which is it's up there. And since we no longer have any live viewer, I think we can end the stream. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can leave a comment below if you're watching this stream later. Give me suggestion. What do you want me to do next? Do you want me to create my own Mindtest mod? My own Mindtest game, maybe? That would be interesting. What can I do with all these textures? Like, the torch texture here, the problem is that it's not transparent, it's not 3D, so when I use it in Mindtest, doesn't look right. These code that I made, do you want them? I could publish them and give it to you if you want them, but they only work on Linux using Bash, the Bash scripting language, because Linux is amazing. And yeah, this one I no longer need it, so I can just remove it. It was like my reference texture, that's why it looks weird. The lava texture, I think I should focus on bringing back the like you have the waterfall, water. What have I done with the damn lava texture? Where was it? Apparently it was somewhere and I deleted it, so I need to bring it back. So I'm just gonna look for that. It should be in the file. Open a new tab. File. Games. Game. That's boring. Seeing me scrolling through files, you can skip these. Like if I was to do editing in my video, that would go away. These part where I sneeze, for example. That's better. Now I'm breathing. And this game, I need to do a live stream of this game. Play Well or Die. That game. It's the first game I ever made, and it's great. I did make a video on it, but it's not a live stream. Would be great as a live stream. So maybe if we set a date, okay? And every video I will set a date for this live stream, a date and time. And I need a bunch of people to watch me live play this game because it's gonna be fun. I want to read your comment all, and you can play it too. And Robot Arena, that's another game I want to do live stream with. That I like. So Robot Arena, Play Well or Die, those are games that I like, that are not popular, that I'm the only one who still care about this game, I guess. And yeah, those are niche game that you should discover. So Endgame, it's not there. It was supposed to be there. what I was looking for. So I'm looking for Sarah Braten edit, and in this file there is this other texture, and in there there's the lava. So in there we're looking for lava, lava.jpg, floor lava, lava, open item location. Is that the lava texture that it used? I don't think it is. I don't think it is. Floor lava, lava text, lava. We have another lava texture, open item location. Maybe that is it. Maybe that's the lava texture. Maybe it is, maybe it is not. I don't know, but that already looks more like it could be the lava texture we're looking for. Floor lava 2, I don't think that's it. I don't think it's lava text 1. But let's see item location, what it looks like. So yeah, it's not this one, that's for sure. So it's maybe the first one, open item location. Let's take a look at this one, even if it's... Oh, it looks cool. It looks even better than the original one. So I'm gonna maybe do some tweaking, because I want that as the lava. I want to replace the original lava open item location, which I think is this one, with that one. So rename this lava original, and we can rename this lava, and open this one in GIMP to see if there's some transparency or stuff that I should be aware of for this texture to work. But that's the only lava texture I can think of. I don't see what other lava we would have been missing. Where is it? Okay, let's move that to another window. I don't see it. Should be somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is. So no, it's just a pink texture. Okay. So we change that for lava. SDM1. Copy this one into the package here and see if that fixes the lava in Sarbraten. Like, where is stored the original lava? I don't know. Editor, I'm gonna select a box and lava. Nope, we're still missing the lava texture. That was funny though. That was funny. Okay, so it's not in the okay, it's not in the SDM, so we can delete, move to trash. It's another lava texture. Lava original. No, that's a new one that we just created. So open item location. Is that the original lava texture? Golgotcha. Golgotcha. Copy, package, paste. Is this gonna fix the lava? Yeah, no, I just want to respawn. Yeah. Editor. Maybe I need to restart the game. Quit. Sorry button. I don't think I need to restart the game though, but who knows? Editor. Lava. Nope, still missing the lava texture. So it's not Golgotcha either. What is the lava texture? Is it telling me? Floor lava 2. It's floor lava 2 for real? The texture is called floor lava 2, and the original game, the lava texture, is floor lava 2. What? Floor lava 2 open item location. So it's the DG pack that we need. That's like the basic Minecraft Minetest texture pack, and that means that I can edit the lava and it's gonna work. Oh, that's a nice lava texture. Actually, I don't want to edit much. It's already good enough, but it can be better, I'm sure. So if I do filter artistic light drop shadow, vignette, perspective, maps, displacement map, render, fractal, flame, noise. What is IFS fractal? No, that's not what I want. Filter, render, circuit, CFG, lava. Oh yeah, but that's gonna take a long time to process, I think. Yeah, so be patient. Keep section, separate layer, use current gradient. Yeah, let's see if it works. Yeah, that looks bad. But maybe I can fix this. Like saturation. Filter, artistic, water pixel. Reduce it till it looks like lava. Yeah, let's make it look like lava. Yeah, does it look like lava? Do you hear the music? Because there's some music in the background right now. Distortion, engraved lenses, mosaic, newsprint, polar, ripple. What would ripple look like? Amplitude, period shift, phase shift, angle. Yeah, that's a good start. Then we can add filter and distort, more distortion. Polygon, ripple, shift, spherize. Yeah, that looks good. Can reduce the curvature a bit, just a bit. Okay, and the colors still don't look right. So saturation, either I make it more or less saturated. Color, hue chroma, hue saturation. We can try hue chroma because we have the right hue. So is it the chroma that we need to change? No. How to make this look like lava? Color, temperature. There you go. Oh, now we're getting to lava texture. And we can delete with the like that's a cool lava texture that we got now, but it's just not loopable, so let's make it seamless. By using the already seamless texture under it. Haha, ain't that smart. Okay, now I can make it a bit less harsh and just keep going at it. Still too harsh. Yeah, that looks nice. I think I did improve the lava a little bit. It looks harder now. And before, after. It's sure that I want to save the original, that's for sure. I don't want to lose it forever, but like, what happens if I do screen? Oh yeah, that looks good. Merge down. That's it. We have it. Export as lava floor 3. That way we can rename the lava floor 2 to something else and try our lava in the game. Yeah, so this one's gonna be renamed lava floor X, so that we can rename ours lava floor 2, which is the default. And we could have used any other texture in here as the lava, by the way, even the brick texture or this texture, mural texture, but yeah, we didn't. Like that could have been our lava texture. You don't believe me? Let me show you. Color, color temperature. It's already starting to look like lava, but we're not done. Filter, enhance, sharpen, increase that, increase the amount. Okay, Filter artistic oilify. Like this, and we can copy it over the first one. Change the saturation hue, make it a bit more yellowish, increase the lightness, saturation, reduce the lightness actually, increase saturation, increase just a bit that. Color brightness and contrast, increase the brightness, increase the contrast. And now what we can do is overlay it with light only like we did before, or screen it, or dark only, or just a basic overlay. Now we can change the opacity of it, let's say 66%. Color hue saturation, we're still missing in the lighter tones. Like this. So overlay isn't really adding these soft light, hard light. Oh, hard light is working. Oh, that's what we're looking for. It's starting to look like lava, my friend. Merge down, color, brightness and contrast. Increase the contrast, increase the lightness, increase the contrast. Color, like we need even more exposure, you know? This. And blur, Gaussian blur, we want that but not too much, because blur, the problem with blur is that it's messing with our seamless texture. Like a lot of what we did shouldn't have messed with it too much, but blur is the thing that can just break it, so we need to be careful with that when we use it. And now we can just make it a bit blurry on top, just to say. And filter, enhance, sharpen. Yeah, it's not giving the effect that I'm looking for, but I like how it's making the yellow yellower. So let's take that and bring it back. Lower opacity, merge down, filter artistic. We could try a soft glow. Oh yeah, that's what we were missing. Brightness, maybe just a little bit less. Sharpness, yeah, a bit more sharp. Glow radius a little bit less, just to say. And with that glow, color, brightness and contrast. Contrast, brightness, contrast. Color, filter, artistic. Now we could try our water pixel that I kept for the end. Like this. Okay. 50%. Merge down. And now we can go with like 100%, but now we can do a light only. Screen. Oh, screen looks nice. 50. And I think that looks like a decent lava effect, don't you think? Like, it looks just as good as the original, if not better. And I could pick some of the color from that one and overlay them. Like, duplicate this one to not lose it, hide it. And what happens if I want to screen this on top? It's not good. Overlay this on top, it's not good. So just the color or saturation, hue. I think it's the hue that we want, that we were missing. Merge down, and with this, add just a little bit of it. See? Not too much, just a bit, just like that. Now it looks even better. And maybe some distortion. Spherize, curvature. You know, let's not go crazy with that, but just to say, some curvature and distortion. We can probably value propagate visualization. Wave, that's too much. Phase shift, that's cool though, that's nice effect. Amplitude. That's freaking cool. About like this. Okay, and I can copy this and paste it on top of the original. Not gonna reduce the opacity. It looks nice like it is. Merge down. Doesn't this looks amazing as a lava texture? Export as floor lava 3. Export as. Export. I think we have nice lava texture that we just made. And nobody saw us do it. So if you saw it later, just tell us in the comment below. This DG package we need to copy now into this package stuff so that we have in Sarbraten discard change our lava texture working. So if I go into the editing mode and I go back to playing mode, I need to disconnect SP and I can select a part, say lava, and now we have the proper lava texture that we just made, which does look kind of nice. I like it. Let's place it in the ground to see what it looks like underground. From here to here we want lava. And is it killing us? It's not killing us? Why? It's not deep enough. Yeah, that's when I would be dead. But it's not deep enough. So if you just touch lava, it's not gonna kill you, but like this it does kill you. Okay. It's okay. There's supposed to be some ripple on top, but I don't really see them. We can try our other lava texture that we just built. Now that we have the DG in our package, we can what happens if I overlay all of them? Is there a like seamless texture maker? Make seamless feature online. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I want to upload a picture that is not seamless and have it be seamless. So browse the texture, recent, floor is lava 3, open, no scatter edge, blah blah. I guess all of this is good. JPEG process usually for 5 or 14 seconds. The image is complete. Open process texture. Let's see. So that texture should be seamless apparently, if I believe this site, which I do. I believe this weird site that we just found. But we're not saving this into the mind test game. We're saving this into the user shared games. Sarbraten package DG Flores lava number 4. Save. And that's gonna be our Flores lava number 2, since we're gonna change number 2 to 2. This did not work. Let's just rename it. And now we have our new floor that we can try. And let's go with Flores lava. I cannot, because this one cannot be renamed. 2. Thank you. And now I can rename this one Flores lava 2. Which, if I quit in the game, discard, I start a new single player game. I want some lava, so I'm gonna select like let's create a pit first, and then we can place lava into that pit. Lava, and now we can see what it looks like. Ah, this looks good. That's a very good lava texture, very convincing. Like, oh, that's convincing. Don't jump into that lava, it's gonna kill you, man. Oh, that looks cool, and it's seamless. Our texture is seamless. That's the new one, that's not the old one, am I right? that can't be the old one. That looks so much better. Oh, it looks good. It looks so good. Damn it, does it look like lava or not? I'm so proud of this texture, it looks so good. Grass, yes, because of course it's grass on both sides of the lava, yeah, makes sense. I really need to change it, but now I know what texture to replace that are on top, like the first texture to be displayed in the texture menu are the DG texture. So if I want my Minecraft texture to appear on top, I should place them into the DG folder instead. Yeah. Yeah, that's kind of cool. So that's it. We brought the lava back into Minecraft, which means that I forgot why we did that. Minecraft 003 did not work because I forgot to type map. Minecraft 003 did not work. Minecraft 003, and don't forget to type map in front of it. And whoa, what the hell just happened? Oh no, this texture overwrote some of mine texture. Oh, I don't like that. Why? Why did this texture override some of mine texture? Crazy, right? I hope it's not permanent. I hope I can... Damn. I hope that's not permanent. Oh, I hope that's not permanent. Oh, I worked so hard on that map, including the texture. Oh no, I did not save the lighting that I did last time. First of all, all the change I did earlier in this map are gone, so that's a bit sad. But now at least in all this broken mess of a map, I should have some lava right here. Yes, I do. At least I have some lava. Okay. But all the textures are wrong. What happened? What happened? Ay. How to fix this? I think I know how though. We already have the package DG here, and we have the lava in it, and all these other texture are like overriding the texture in Nieb, so I could just replace DG with the... Sorry, I'm tired. I'm gonna end the stream. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of the stream. We created cool lava texture, we made it seamless, we uploaded it to Sarbraten, we did stuff in Mindtest. We did a lot today. Yeah, let's be honest, we did a lot today. And I can change like the background Cube 2 logo and make it my own more. We could do a bot match first, but I'm gonna get killed, so that's plenty of bot. Minimum skills should stay to the minimum, and maximum skills should stay to the maximum, so we have a good range of enemy. Some easy to beat, some hard to beat. Which map are we gonna pick? They're all gonna be missing textures because I removed them from the game. Which one do I pick? Is there a Nieb one? Because I know the texture pack I'm using is the Nieb texture pack. So if there's a map called Nieb, I'm sure it's gonna use the Minecraft texture. A, B, C. Should be around here. Yeah, let's just go into this one. Why not? Oh! Okay, maybe we're too many for this small map. Maybe this map is too small. Okay, disconnect, but match. Let's reduce that a bit. Little bit less bot, and pick a way larger map. I don't know which map is larger enough, but concept, ladder, spiral, canyon. See, like these are concept map. I'll try the Tortuga map. No, turbulence. Why not? Oh. Damn. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, this guy's good. I don't know if you hear the sound from the game. Okay, let's try to find a map that use the Minecraft textures. It may take a while because there's a lot of maps, but one of them must be using them, right? Right. I don't remember what the Nieb texture looks like, so yeah. Anyway, castle looks nice without their texture anyways. Okay, this map is a bit small. You see it by the amount of bots killing each other around me. I don't like the sound from the game. I need to change them. Like when people get hurt in this game, the sound are just bad. I need to change them with like a ouch. That hurts. Something like that, yeah. There's a campaign. Oh yeah, the campaign is bad, I remember. Yeah. No, yeah, I want the bad ones to be bad. The bad but to not be good. But all the maps are a bit dark because adding good lighting to this game is way harder than it needs to be. Like, it shouldn't be harder than... I think the best map of lighting turned up. This one doesn't seem to have it. So where are the lights on? Yeah, this map is way too small again. We have some really small map, but we're discovering each of them. So let's do them one by one. So this one, too small. Okay, this one was too small. Let's try another one. FFA, Academy. This one doesn't seem that small, but it kinda is, so disconnect from it. Maybe just a bit less bot. 20 bots should be fine. And FFA again. Oh, that looks cool as heck. The floor is so cool. I really like this map. Like, it's very well made. Even without the texture, it still looks great. You can see that a lot of care went into making it. Oh, that's a good weapon. I missed it, man. Oh! Oh, we died at the same time. That was cool. Okay, but disconnect. There's none of our texture here. So, bot match, start game, FFA. We're at Alitia. Again, another map that does not use any of our Minecraft textures. Oh, I made that jump. That was cool. That should have been in a short content video. Made a remix of that. Okay. I mean, is it that how you want? But that jump was tight. It was nice. Yes, you can toggle editor in any map. I know, that's cool. Did you know that? Now you do. You can toggle editor in any map and play around with the map. Just like that. I know, it's very cool. And that's why I like this game. I'm not sure if you can hear the cat behind me just... It can't shut up. It just... You know? Hello. It just said hello. And that's worth a sub. That's worth a like. The cat that just said hello in the background. Yes, my cat talk. It's a talking cat. It won't shut up. Okay, let's disconnect again. We're looking for a larger map that maybe uses our texture. So we just tried alloy, I think. Oh, that one is cool. I like the ramp. I like this thing that they built. It looks nice. I don't know how they did that. There must be like some sort of better editor for Sauerbraten maps. I don't believe that these are made in the in-game editor. The ramps are just too complex, man. They're just too complex to have been made like manually. I don't believe that. But back. So. Now I'm tired. Arbana. Oh. Hello? Sorry. Why are you not moving? Okay, now they're moving. Nope. Nobody's moving in this map, which is weird. And we just tried Arbana, BVD now. Oh! Oh, this one is using a lot of... it's using some of our Minecraft textures! It's using our Minecraft textures! I love this map just because of that. It's using our Minecraft texture. I can't believe it. I love this map. This map is great. 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's using Minecraft texture. I hope you don't hear the sound of the game because they're awful. Oh, Minecraft has changed, that's for sure. What? I wish I was good enough to make maps like this using textures. That's weird. This map is already one of the best because of that. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. I mean, in this game, the eye are good. I don't know if you can shoot on the, you know the weapon that shoots bullets that explode later? I don't know if you can... Oh no, I had the good gun. I lost my gun, I had a rocket launcher. And I lost it. More life to me. Have fun with that. No, he picked the weapon before I did. And I'm dead. I'm last. I'm the last one. Give me the armor, give me the armor. I need the armor. I need a mask. I don't even know what they're saying. Max win? Oh, that's what I... Oh, damn, I had the weapon I wanted. Each time I get a good weapon, I get it. Don't underestimate the AI in this game. They're unbeatable. Huh? Who's the boss now? Who's the boss? Okay, let's try something. I'm gonna do go into the editor and from here to here, I want lava. Good luck with that. From here to here, lava. Good luck with that. And from here to here. But I would need a way to get across the lava, so maybe just a water path. From here to so you say I'm dying less often than them now that they're dying because of the lava.
take that water. This side. That's how I'm playing now. I switch between playing the game and the editor and adding water everywhere. Because it looks good. Like, not only is it looking cool, but it's a game mechanic. Okay, the small gun is very useless, so I need to find better weapon. Oh, I think I killed him with it. You really can't miss, otherwise, like... No, I got killed. I won't have access to this area, so let's make this. Where did you get these weapons, man? They have way better weapons than I do. Oh, what? What is that? That's a cool area. How did you get there? Oh, it's luck. Can I unlock it? By saying this is air, and on top, we do maybe a hole here. I don't know. You can! And now I can access this place. And at the bottom of this, let's add lava. Okay, goodbye. So I made a trap that if they fall in it. They're shooting at me. No! Where is it? Yeah, that's the rocket launcher. That's the place to be. Oh no, the lava. Go inside, why? What's in there? Why can't I go inside? Okay, there's a block of some sort. So I need to make a hole. There we go, and this could be a waterfall. Yeah, I don't know. I just want to get there and see if I can do it. Where is it? And you can get in here. That's cool. How did he survive that? Yeah. No! Almost fell into my trap. Now it's a trap. I mean, it's almost like Fortnite. I place walls, I build trap, I shoot at monster, other player. Damn it. Oh, the game end. And I'm not last, I'm the 10th player. Oh, that was fun. That was great fun. Let's go back, disconnect for that. But match, start match, free for all. And this map was, I think, PVDM. So we can try castle map, but PVDM add our Minecraft textures. And this one has two. Okay. Let's try to survive. Oh, it has torches. They have torches. That's cool. Who shot us? Ah, damn. Okay. So we could build a trap. From here to here. Let's move that. And it's supposed to be water in here. But water is not as cool as lava is. So from just looking for a place where I could place the lava. Concludes there, air, and now that we have air, on top of which we could build the lava.
Quad damage in 10 seconds.
Okay, so now if you fall in here, you die. Just wanted to make sure that. That's a cool map, I love this map. Like that. Damn it, I died. Maybe I want to do a 1v1 in this map. But count 2 and have them be between average to bad. Start game. Free for all. And it was the castle map. And it was a nice map, I like it. Now I just want to place lava somewhere. I want a lava trap in here somewhere. So not in the player start, that's a bad idea. But here we're supposed to have like quad damage stuff. So 3 and yeah, from here to here, lava. And we might want to add some textures because we are fancy. So what texture do we have? Minecraft sand texture? Nah. Yeah, since it's a trap, let's make it. Oh, that was dumb. He just jumped into it. I admire how dumb that was.
Health boost in 10 seconds.
Okay, we can build other traps like this. Who shot at us?
Quad damage in 10 seconds.
Where is he? Where did he shot us from? Wow. Oh yeah, that was cool. So he's jumping from here to here. From here to here you have like this area that's so cool. And I'd like to be able to like fall from here into the area below. That would be nice. Of course, let's add texture to this. I could save this modified map, by the way. Yeah. For now, let's just color all the area I modified with this target texture so that it's obvious that there's something there. You can jump here and... Where is it? Where's the hole we just made? We can use it to shoot at them from above, that's cool. Oh, that's a good weapon for that.
Oh no, he shot me when I was reloading.
Quad damage.
Oh, that's a good weapon. That's a very good weapon. Alright. Come at me, man. I'm ready. I gotcha. Where are you? You son of a...
Health boost.
Oh yeah, I got a health boost. That's always good. Oh, that's a cool area. I like that. I like this place. Somebody's swimming near here. I can hear it. How can I reach this area without cheating? There must be a way, right?
Quad damage in 10 seconds.
That's how. Oh, I'm good. I'm smart. And I can like camp in here a little bit. And there's something on top. What's on top? Oh, so you
Health
can
boost
get
in 10
there from there.
seconds.
And I'm gonna get you. That's a long streaming session. I should probably end it and start a new one with just playing Star Bratton like this. Because I don't think people will watch a
Quad
video that
damage.
is that long. I killed myself with him. So yeah, let's end the streaming session and start a new one. So yeah,